A Python everything keyword that always returns true for membership tests. I feel like I want an everything keyword in Python that would have the following properties. Any Boolean test of the form, x in everything, would always return true, regardless of x. Any attempt to iterate it, such as, for x in everything, would raise an exception. My motivation is that I would like to have an optional whitelist and test something for membership in it, however I would like the default to simply pass. So rather than writing I'd like to do. To me, the second version seems simpler and more Pythonic, however I don't know how one would implement such a thing. Alternatively, I will accept explanations for why the first version is better, and this is something I shouldn't desire.
This class implements the underscore contains underscore behavior for the in keyword. Thankfully, duck typing allows for us to look like a container and not be iterable. To read more about underscore contains underscore, click here. To be used as such.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.